Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about EverWebinar, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add an image into your webinar registration page? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add an image into your EverWebinar registration page anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing webinars, you know that having your image of you or maybe your product can help increase registrations. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your EverWebinar dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my EverWebinar, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add an image into one of your registration pages, here on the left side, click on webinars. Once you do that, you're going to see all the webinars you are currently running. So go ahead and choose the one that you want to add an image into the registration page. So for example, this one, and you just click on edit. Once you click on edit, you're going to see these blue dots at the top, and you want to click on registration. All right. Once you do that, you're going to look for this line right here, registration page design. Click on the little pencil icon. Okay. Once you do that, you're going to see all of the different templates that are available. So if you want to add an image into the registration page, you're going to choose a template that has an image on it. So for example, this one has like mountains. This one has some mountains. This one has this guy here to the left. And this one here has an image at the top. And then it has 3 people at the bottom. So maybe those are going to be testimonials or maybe the founders. So let's see here. Let's go ahead and use this one with the mountains. And all you do is just hover over it and customize. Here you can go ahead and choose where the registration is going to be, a bubble, the bar at the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and choose this bubble one and then launch build. Okay, so here you're going to be in the registration page editor for your webinar. So you can edit all of this. All you do is just hover over it and then click on the pencil icon. And it's going to be very simple for the image as well. You just hover over it and then click on the pencil icon. All right, then you can grab an image from your desktop and you can see it just automatically updates. So this image could be an image of you if you're the one running the webinar, if you're a personal brand, or if it's a product, you can put an image of the product right here. Once you're done, here at the top, click on actions and then save and exit. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add an image into your EverWebinar registration page, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.